did Clannad perform at festivals in the 1980s? Have you ever wondered about the musical journey of Clannad and their role in Irish festivals during the 1980s? Well, you are in for a treat. Clannad, the renowned band from County Donegal, did indeed perform at various festivals during this vibrant decade. Their roots in traditional Irish music were firmly planted in the 1970s, where they gained recognition by playing at numerous folk festivals. This early exposure helped them build a solid reputation in the Irish music scene. As the 1980s rolled in, Clannad began to expand their sound. They incorporated more electronic elements and started singing in English, which broadened their appeal beyond Ireland. During the early part of this decade, Clannad was actively touring Europe. They had just completed a significant United States tour in 1979, which was the largest tour by any Irish band at that time. Their performances at festivals across Europe were instrumental in their rise to international fame. Clannad's music, a beautiful blend of traditional Irish folk with New Age and pop influences, made them a sought-after act at festivals celebrating Celtic and folk music. Their live recordings from 1980 show that they were performing extensively, including at various festivals and concerts that highlighted their evolving style. One of the key moments in their career came with the releases of Theme from Harry's Game in 1982. This hit song not only showcased their unique sound but also led to more festival invitations and increased their presence on the international stage. Throughout the 1980s, Clannad transitioned from being a family folk to a globally recognized Celtic music group. They were often featured at Irish cultural events and music festivals, making significant contributions to the celebration of Irish culture. For anyone interested in Irish culture and music festivals, Clannad's performances during the 1980s representing an important chapter in Ireland's musical history. Attending festivals where Clannad played or visiting locations associated with their music can offer a rich experience of Ireland's blend of traditional and modern Celtic sounds. Their connection to the Irish language and culture remains a highlight for those exploring the musical landscape of Ireland.